morning, Standard 5. Today we are going to start our next topic, application software. Okay, in previous videos we had discussed about software, why software is needed, then types of software. Two types of software we had discussed: system software and application software. In system software we had discussed about operating system software and utility software. This we had discussed in previous videos. Now today we are going to start topic application software. Okay, so here you can see I already written application software. This is two types of software. There are two types of application software: general purpose software and customized software. Okay, so application software, it is two types of software. Okay, general purpose and customized. So one by one we will see application software. What is application software? So application software are those which are used to do some specific task on computer. What it is made to do? Specific task. Specific, S-P-E-I-C-I-F-I-C. Specific task. This specific task can be creating documents. Okay, in MS Word we create document. Okay, text document. Okay, suppose for making presentation we use presentation software. Okay, if we have to analyze numerical data, okay, generally accountants they use it. So there are this type of software also. MS Excel is there for this. For drawing we use MS Paint, isn't it? So these are the software which are developed to do some special type of work, specific task. Okay, so application software. System software, we had discussed that these are system software are related with the computer system hardware. Okay, which are related to computer hardware. But application software are developed for users. Okay, these softwares are developed for user. And system software, those are developed for controlling, managing all computer hardware and to give the interface user. Okay, software interface which appears on monitor screen. No? So interface for users. Okay, so those are system software. But application softwares are developed for users requirement. Clear? So there are two types of application software: general purpose software and customized software. Okay. Now, general purpose software, just now we had discussed. These general purpose softwares are pre-written software. Okay, developed by software companies. Clear? So these are available in market. You can purchase them as per your requirement. You have to choose which software you are going to use. Okay, so these are pre-written software, general purpose software. Clear? So if you have to see what is your requirement. If you have to create documents, suppose some children they have they need a software for typing. Okay, suppose teacher has given essay writing work, letter writing work, poem writing, story writing. So for typing, if you have this type of work which you will do with typing. Okay, so we use word processing software. That is, for this we use word processing software. So many word processing software are in market: MS Word, WordPerfect, OpenOffice, Writer, then Apple Work, and in your book also given some WordPad. WordPad is not word processing software, but it is given in your book. then Apache Open Office Writer. So these are word processing software which is used for creating document. We type document, okay, creating text document. Yeah. So here in this word processing software you can type document, and editing can be done. Okay, editing means any changes if you want to do, delete something or adding something new. Okay, like this, moving text from one place to another, this thing. Okay, this is called editing. So editing, formatting means to decorate document. Okay, there are some features in word processing software which helps to decorate document. Clear? So this is your word processing software. Clear? So many software are there. So whichever suits to you, you can purchase it. Okay. General purpose software. Next one is spreadsheet software. It is given in your book. Spreadsheet software. So spreadsheet software are the special one which are used to analyze numerical data. Okay. As I told you before, generally it is used by accountants. Okay, they have to make accounts, no, ledger they have to make. You will learn about ledger making, accountants work in senior school, but now I can explain that spreadsheet software is the special software used for analyze numerical data, and if there are complex calculations, so we can use spreadsheet software for this. Okay, so in your book some examples are given: Microsoft Excel, MS Excel, okay, Apache Open Office Calc, Lotus 123, Lotus Symphony, iWork Number. Okay, iWork Number, it is of MacOS, means Macintosh operating systems part. Okay, some operating system provides us by default some softwares. Okay, general purpose software. So Macintosh operating system, it provides AppleWork for word processing and iWork Number software for spreadsheet. Okay, for creating spreadsheets. So these are general purpose software. Clear? Next is photo editing. You know about this photo whichever you click now. So that can be modified. Okay, if you want to do some modification in that, want to change color or want to add something, add background, okay, or some features if you want to change, cropping, means can be done through photo editing software. Okay, so we can manipulate pictures through photo editing software. Adobe Photoshop, this is the popular one. Then Canva, MS Paint, Picasa. Then these are available in market for photo editing. Clear? So these are the software, general purpose software. Next, given in your book, that is presentation software. Presentation softwares are used to make presentation. Okay, in school also we make presentation, and in offices employee they create presentation. Okay, so presentation software are MS PowerPoint. Okay, in standard 4 we have learned about this MS PowerPoint, and now also in standard 5 also there are 2 chapters of MS PowerPoint. We will do those. Okay, so this one, then Prezi, Beyond, Zoho Show, Google Slides, okay, and Apache Open Office Impress. These are presentation software available in market. So whichever you like, you can purchase. Okay, there are many general purpose software. In your book only 4 are given. So these 4 we had discussed. Okay, word processing software for creating documents, spreadsheet software for creating accounts and to do numerical data analysis, then photo editing to manipulate photos, and presentation software to create presentation. Examples I wrote here. Okay, So these are general purpose software which are created to do some specific work. Clear? So first type of application software, it is general purpose software. Now second one is customized software. Okay, customized word, if you see this word now, it is related with the customer. Okay, it is related with customer. Means there are many software in market, but still if these software do not meet my requirement, okay, customer's requirement, if do not meet customer's requirement, then what we will do? So we have option that we can go to the vendors, organization, companies which make software for customers, means according the customer's requirement. Clear? Suppose I have a shop, many items are there, so I have to keep record of everything of my shop. So among these general purpose software, if I see will not meet my requirement, will not satisfy my requirements, then I can go to vendor for I can give order, okay, to make a software with these requirements. Okay, so we can do, okay, so here I have written a software which is developed according to the customer's requirement, that is called customized software. Clear? So for this customized software, I gave you small example of a shop. Okay, bank. If you go to the bank, you will see bank employees, they don't use MS Word or this MS Excel. Okay, you can see their different screen is there because the software which they use, no, those are customized software. And at railway reservation center, you see they also use customized software. Okay, those are not general purpose software which are available in market. Okay, they use special software which are developed for bank, which are developed for railways, okay, which are developed for Coal India Limited company, okay, like that. So software which are developed for the user's requirement, according to the user's requirement, those are called customized software. And in your book, two examples are given. First one, library management software. So you know, library, there are thousands of books we keep there, okay, and every day some students, they return their book, and sometimes librarian issue them book, okay. So issuing book, returning book, number of books are there. So to keep record of all these things, how many students not yet given back book, okay. So these type of records, if we have to keep in computer now, so we need a special software. Understood? That time word processing software, this spreadsheet software will not work. Okay. Then we need a special software. It is called library management software. Okay. In computer, in library, which Miss Josephine, she uses that software. Okay, that is a special software for library for maintaining books record. Okay. Here it is written in a book. This software is used to manage record of books entry. Thousands of books are there, so librarian has to enter every book in computer. Then how many are issued, how many are returned. So all these type of record we can keep in our computer with the help of library management software. Okay. These are especially used in school and colleges. Clear? Okay, here I am reading from your book, Customized Application Software. I am reading this part. Customized application software are, these type of software are specific purpose software designed for a specific organization or a particular user. Okay. Organization, I gave you example of bank and railway, and if you for particular user, I gave example of that too. Means if I have a shop, so I need a particular type of software to keep a record of all items of shop. Okay. So for particular user it can be created, and for the big organization also customized software can be developed. Okay. Customized application software are also called tailor-made software. These are mainly used at railway station, airport, bank, malls, etc. Okay. So library management software, it is a customized software. Okay. Now next one is bill generating software. Okay. Bill generating software handles the sale and purchase of products sold to customers in a restaurant, departmental stores, hospitals, etc. Okay. So this is also one special type of software, okay, which can keep record of sale and purchase. Record of sale and purchase, record of customers, okay. So bill generating, wherever bills are created for customers. Okay, in hospitals also, hospital gives bill. If you go to the restaurant, they also give you bills. Okay, so they use a special type of software for generating bills. Clear? So these are customized software which are developed by software developing companies. There are so many companies in India which creates company, they created software, okay, according to the user's requirement. Clear? So two types of application software we had discussed: general purpose software and customized software. Okay. So this is the chapter, children. We had discussed. Okay, pop-up box, here it is written: all computer games are nothing but customized application software developed for entertainment. Computer games are also customized application software, okay, because they are developed for entertainment. So this is the chapter, children, we had completed today in this video. We have started from the topic software. What is software? Software, I told you, collection of programs, and each program is a set of instruction. Okay, so collection of programs makes software. Okay, and softwares are developed to do some specific task on computer. Okay, so software, and I told you software, it is must because alone hardware cannot do anything. Okay, means without software, no, hardwares are useless, absolutely useless. Okay, software and hardware, they both work together. Okay, if you want to do work on computer, both things are required, both things work together, and then user can complete their work. Okay, so software, why it is needed, we had discussed in video. Then types of software we had discussed. There are two types of software: system software, which are related with the computer hardware and which gives interface for the user to work on computer. Okay, I told you, I gave you example of desktop. Okay, through desktop only we can work on computer. If desktop is not there, so we will not be able to open programs. Okay, so operating system provides us interface to work on computer. So system software are related with the computer hardware and provides interface to the user. Then application software, just now we had discussed. Okay, system software, two types of system software we had discussed: operating system software and utility software. This is main operating system, it is main software of computer, which is loaded first. Okay, first into computer's main memory RAM. Okay, then application software we can use. if first operating system has to be loaded, okay, then we can open our computer games or paint program, whichever you want to work on. So application programs entirely depends on operating system. Yeah. Utility software we had discussed, those are maintenance software. Okay, so many types of maintenance work we need in computer. Okay, some we had discussed backup, how to create backup. Okay, then disk defragmentation. Okay, this type of maintenance work we need to do. Okay, then antivirus software are there if computer get affected with the virus. Okay, so these are some maintenance software, utility software of computer, which are system software and very essential for maintaining computer smoothly working on computer. If you want to work smoothly on computer without any interruption, without any problem, so these utility software you ought to have in your computer. Okay. Then application software we had discussed, general purpose software which are created to do specific type of work. These are pre-written software, okay, used to do some specific task on computer. These are available in market. Okay, word processing, examples I wrote, MS Word, Word Perfect, OpenOffice, Writer, then Apple work of Macintosh operating system. Then next one, spreadsheet software, its example, MS Excel, Lotus 123, Lotus Symphony, iWork Number, this is also of Macintosh operating system. Then photo editing software, Adobe Photoshop, Canva, MS Paint. MS Paint, it is not only drawing program, photo editing can be done, okay. MS Paint and then Picasa. These are photo editing software, and presentation software are MS PowerPoint. You are familiar with this. Prezi, Beyond, Zoho Show, Google Slides. These are presentation software available in market. Okay. Then we have discussed customized software, a software which is developed according to the customer's requirement. Okay. Are called customized software. So children, this is our chapter we had done. Okay. I hope you have written its question answers. I gave you all objective questions and subjective questions I already given you, and I hope you have done all those. Children, start learning your question answers whenever school will be open, your exam will be taken. Okay, so study at home and don't waste your time. Okay, stay at home, be safe. Bye.